I am Natasha Morgan, and I belong to you. You have my heart, my mind, and my soul. You are everything that I breathe. Hold on to me, and I will guide you. I'll take your hand, and you take mine. You'll see a better world, a freer world, where all your dreams are possible. I know you want me. I know you need me. I will touch your soul with my embrace. You are my passion. You are my life. You create the desire for change. I create the change with you. Our hearts beat as one. I live only because of you. You see through me like I see through you. Life, love, passion, and desire. This is what we are here for. And too much is not enough. You can't escape me. Open your mind and embrace me. My vision for you is without limits. I will empower your body and soul. Nothing will ever be the same. Discover my world. Nothing will ever be the same. No one can take you there my world but me. No one can take you there but me. Through my eyes. Come see the future. I am through Natasha Morgan. And I belong to you. And I belong to you.